so that we can access Hamster Kombat. Then let's just open Hamster Kombat through here, click play, and then it should open. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock short squeeze on Hamster Kombat. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and go to Telegram so that we can access Hamster Kombat. Then let's just open Hamster Kombat through here, click play, and then it should open this window. It's actually quite simple to be able to unlock short squeeze compared to other unlockables. For example, if you go over here, some are you need money, some we need to go over here to special. So as you can see here, you will need to have some of these things in order to unlock them. Most of the time they're really just, you just need to pay for them. So that's also quite it's cheap anyway, but it's not really worth it. But like Hamster Bank right here, unlocking short squeeze is quite similar. So we just need to scroll down and let's find short squeeze. This one. So short squeeze allows you to have a profit per hour of 1,000 coins. And in order to unlock it, you need to invite +3 or more friends. So it's still connected to the pre-market launch over here and the one that we saw earlier, which was the Hamster Bank. So if you try and unlock short squeeze, you'll be able to unlock the pre-market launch here as well. So you will have profit per hour 7.5 and 2 and 1. So you'll get around what 8.5 thousand coins per hour. Okay, so how do we actually start inviting our friends? So it's simple. You just go over to the friends section here in the UI, and as you can see, if you invite friends, you get 5,000 coins as well. So that's actually pretty good as well. And then you just try and invite a friend as well with Telegram Premium. Anyways, so what we need to do is just to click here on invite a friend, or you can, when you go back to Hamster Kombat, just copy the link and then send the link to your friend so that they can go ahead and play Hamster Kombat. So we just invite a friend. For example, my friend over here, I just click here and then this message will pop up and we just need to click on send. And then every time they click the link or register to Hamster Kombat, then that will increase your progress in the game. So yeah, it's that simple. So once you get all 3 friends registered and playing Hamster Kombat, then you should be able to unlock short squeeze. And as well as the pre-market one here, which is the pre-market launch. So that's actually quite a lot, and that's it. That is how you can unlock short squeeze on Hamster Kombat. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.